Hold on to your seats, folks. The tech world is buzzing with the latest and greatest news from Samsung's camp, and it's a game changer. Brace yourselves because Samsung just dropped the bomb at its developer conference. The Exynos 2400 is officially in the house. 2 years in the making, this powerhouse of a chip is set to revolutionize your smartphone experience. Mind-blowing improvements in CPU, GPU, and AI performance over its predecessor, the Exynos 2200. The Galaxy S24 is getting a double dose of magic with both Exynos and Snapdragon variants. But wait, there's more. Samsung is keeping some details under wraps, building up the suspense for the grand reveal. We're talking about a potential deca-core chip, and the rumor mill is churning with excitement. And guess what? The Galaxy S24 might just be the fix we've all been waiting for when it comes to that pesky camera shutter lag that haunts Samsung smartphones. Hold your horses, it gets better. Samsung is unleashing the power of AI with Zoom Anyplace technology. Imagine taking up to 4 close-ups and moving objects without breaking a sweat. This is not your ordinary camera upgrade. We're talking about a mind-bending 200-megapixel camera sensor. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is about to redefine photography on smartphones, and we can't contain our excitement. Say goodbye to blurry photos of moving objects. Samsung is on a mission to make it a thing of the past. Zoom Anyplace will use eye-based tracking, ensuring that every moment is captured in stunning detail. Shutter lag? Not on the Galaxy S24 Ultra's watch. Get ready for a smartphone experience like never before. Samsung is turning heads, breaking barriers, and setting the stage for the future of mobile technology. Stay tuned for the next episode of Samsung's Tech Saga. It's going to be epic.